Hi, my name is Joel Maldonado, and this is Mr. Robertson's class, period 6. And we are doing the 100 discoveries that were most important in the world, and I'm doing mine on the electric car. So, first of all, the electric car was a 19th century and 20th century discovery. It was created from those time zones, and I'm not really sure who was the person who was responsible for discovering it, but it was meant to be a pollution-free car that you could travel in and go far distances in. But at the end, they ended up discovering that it wasn't completely pollution-free for the materials that they used making the cars, and the fossil fuels burnt trying to make electricity to power those cars. And that's pretty much my opinion. The cars, they tried to discover something that would help the world, but ended up just not going all the way through with it. But it would be a really big step on new discoveries, finding out how to make a pollution-free traveling car or any type of traveling thing.
Some way that it doesn't pollute us. Okay, so here, let me give you my thinking on this. So, how do we get electricity? Well, we burn coal. So are we helping out if we got electric cars and we're burning coal to get the electricity to run the cars? Say, no, Mr. R. No, it doesn't work. We need an energy breakthrough. I'm saying it's got to be one of two things. It either has to be nuclear fusion. We discover nuclear fusion and can crank out copious amounts of electricity. Then we can all just plug our cars in and go, go, go. Or we figure out how to break hydrogen from water. And then we can use that. That can be used in fuel cells. That can be used in a hydrogen hybrid. We like the acceleration of the combustion engine. So having hydrogen, when it burns, what does it produce? Somebody say water.
Water.
Yes, exactly, water. And and then when we get in the city, we just turn off that combustion engine and we drive around silently, and we hope that people are watching us, because you know those silent cars, they don't make any noise and people step right out in front of them and get run over. That's bad. That's the only really bad to it. But I think it is the way of the future. I did lose a $100 bet on this. I'm waiting for it to happen. Way to be, Joel. Woohoo! Let's hear it.
Yeah. Joel.